Now you're drinking bobas and making muffins.
Yeah, right?
Fucking.
Welcome back to Cooking with Wangry. Just making a little spicy meat. I don't need a pan. Everyone need a but fuck that spice. To show you how to make a loving, caring, home-cooked meal. It's hot. It's getting hot. Why is it so hot? Touch it with your finger. Rub it with your hand. Touch your hand in your forehead. My forehead hot too. See, we're cooking nice home-cooked meal with lots of love and care. You gotta be very delicate. Sometimes you gotta be careful about the pans that you use. Don't be breaking stuff. Sometimes you need soy sauce. Hello, and welcome to cook big piece of animal on top of side hill. First, two back cooking. Then you need big frozen animal turd. Then you need big metal pan. Then you need Chinese knife, cut animal in half. Then you need stab animal some more. Slice. Then you need log for fire, hot. Then you need big kilo of cocaine. Then you need another kilo of cocaine. Then you need rabbit shit. Then you need steak. Then you need lettuce. Then you need spices. Then you need hot Cheetos. Mix it all together until it's nice and even consistency. Throw some potato fries. Put some onion slices in there. And then throw the meat on the ground. Cover it in cocaine powder. Put some coconut flavor on there, and then you're done. Let it sit for 2 days, and then you can feed your whole family and village. And then you cover it with metal lid. Oh, slice. First two back cocaine. First two back cocaine. Log for fire, hot for fire, hot. First two back cocaine.